If you ride like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder. I'm not gonna let you bring us both down.
Fuck that. Don't be such a fucking pussy.
No, man. It's over. Can't do it. Won't do it. You made your fucking choice.
Fuck you.
Hey, you know what? If you go out tonight, take the truck. You'll be less visible. Last favor I'll do you. I'm done.
You're fucking done?
Yeah.
You're done.
It's over.
If I got on my knees and I pleaded with you not to go, but to stay in my arms, would you walk out the door like you did once before? This time, be different. Please stay. Don't go. If I call out your name like a prayer, would you leave me alone in that fear, knowing I need you so? Would you still
Just take this. Just take it. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm a fucking maniac. Bro, bro. Just take this.
I love you before I even knew
You don't love me, you don't like me, I fucking get it. I'm a piece of shit, okay? I'm still his father. I can give him stuff. I got this for him, just give it to him. Tell him it's for me.
if I call out your name like a song which was written for you alone. Would you still
Never gonna see him again.
Please give that to him.
be different? Please stay.